Did CERN break reality? The Mandela Effect and the timeline split. Have you ever remembered something with absolute certainty, only to find out it never existed? You're not alone. They call it the Mandela Effect. Some believe it's false memory. Others believe it's something far more terrifying, a glitch in our reality, a sign that time itself has been altered. But who or what is responsible? What if I told you it all points to one place? Sun. The Mandela Effect is named after Nelson Mandela because thousands of people swear they remember him dying in a South African prison in the 1980s. But he didn't. He died in 2013, at least in this timeline. And it's not just Mandela. People remember the children's books as Berenstain bears, EIN. But now, they've always been Berenstain, AIN. Some recall the Monopoly man with a monocle. Now, no monocle. The famous line from Star Wars, Luke, I am your father, never existed. It's actually, no, I am your father. These aren't isolated cases. Millions share these memories. Are they all wrong, or are they remembering a version of reality that no longer exists? CERN is a European organization for nuclear research located in Geneva, Switzerland. In 2008, they activated the Large Hadron Collider, the world's most powerful particle accelerator. Its goal? To smash atoms together at near light speed to unlock the secrets of the universe. But some believe they unlock something else. Here's the theory. In 2008, when CERN turned on the collider, they may have caused a rupture in space-time, a collision so powerful it created a micro black hole, or worse, a shift in the timeline, a fracture in reality. And we didn't even notice, because we were pulled into a similar, but not identical, version of our world. Some remember how things used to be. They carry echoes from the original timeline. That's what the Mandela Effect is. Residual memory from before the shift. Physicists have long speculated about the multiverse, a theory that infinite versions of reality exist side by side. What if CERN caused two timelines to merge? Or what if we cross over entirely? Others go deeper. Some say we live in a simulation, and the Mandela Effect is just a glitch in the code, a software update in our program reality. Some people call it the Matrix Effect. CERN has publicly denied all claims connecting their experiments to alternate timelines or Mandela effects, but they've admitted to creating miniature black holes, and they are experimenting with quantum realms, time, and antimatter. If they did break reality, would they tell us? Something changed, whether it was a machine deep underground, a multiverse collision, or a glitch in a code of reality. One thing is clear: the world we remember is not the world we live in. So now we ask you, what's the strangest Mandela Effect you've experienced? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because here on Hidden Truths Uncovered, we expose the secrets they don't want you to know.